Hi, I'm Ilkka Pirttimaa, the creator of BlindSquare application. When blind people are using BlindSquare with their iPhone, it is very important that you are not covering your ears because you need to hear echoes from the walls and echoes from the white cane, etc. That's why you can use only one earbud, but it's not optimal. The better option would be to use so-called bone conduction headphones. So, for example, this model from Aftershocks, it means that it leaves your ears open and you can hear BlindSquare sounds through the bone of your skull. But sometimes some people doesn't like to wear any headphones, so it would be nice if there would be option to have a speaker, Bluetooth speaker, and now we have that. So this is BEM Wireless Speaker Band, just released, $50 roughly. It's basically a wristwatch with a speaker and Bluetooth and also music controller, so you can control your device from the wrist. It's not a iWatch, but it's kind of, you can have your iPhone or iPad on your pocket or backpack and then control it with this device. So next I'm going to demonstrate how this works. So there is on the bottom there is one button, and when I hold it down it turns power on. And like you hear, it's really cool that it has some self-voicing, so you can hear the options. And next we need to connect it with the iPhone. And I have iPhone here.
Voiceover on.
With voiceover.
Airplane, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth.
We need to go to Bluetooth mode, but then we need to also put this BEM to the pairing mode. And you hold power button for 3 seconds.
Pairing.
You heard that now it's in pairing mode. Blue LED is flashing, and then we double tap Bluetooth on iPhone settings.
Bluetooth set. Bluetooth in with more info now discoverable heading.
We need to wait that this device comes to this list of devices. It's okay.
Speaker band not paired button. Speaker band connecting.
Now I double tap the one, and voice should go over to
connecting. PS 150-312 AEC.
Yeah.
Not connected. Button.
So now I can put this phone away because now we can control it with this BEM speaker. On the side we can find 3 buttons. The center one is for making phone calls, answering calls, discarding calls. You can double tap for Siri, and you can use it also for music controlling. Let's double tap it. Play BlindSquare music.
Here's the album BlindSquare Birthday 2014.
So I just asked Siri to play some music.
Settings. Back button.
And you can hear it's not for music, so such a tiny speaker will never be very good for the music. It's more like speed, so you can forget playing music with this device, but it can play music. Let's stop this. Stop playing.
I paused it.
Okay, thanks. Next, let's try out to launch BlindSquare with Siri. So I will double tap from the center. Launch BlindSquare.
BlindSquare search button.
So I didn't mention that this device has also speakers, so it's like Michael Knight jogging to the kit car, so you can use this also as a speaker phone. And you might know that in latest BlindSquare I introduced a audio menu. It means that you can control some of the features of BlindSquare by just using your music controller. And the reason I really like this new BEM device is the fact that it actually has a music controller. So it has play on a center, then it has next and prev buttons, and you might know that play starts audio menu, play again selects an item from menu, you can fast forward menu by pressing next, and then previous button stops the menu, and if you are not in the menu it will start watch around feature. So I press now previous button once.
Your location. Nearest crossing is Rapalanti, Rapalanpoku and Visalanti. Distance about 28 meters at 6 o'clock. Press play to check into Smart Purdy. Nearest address is Visalanti 67,
I press play.
Helsinki, heading east.
So after this,
Checking in at Smart Purdy. You've been here 368 times. You earn 1 point. Your rank is 25 and Nancy Roos. With the last check-in, you're closing in on
I pressed
Ilkka, August 9th, 2013.
I pressed next to skip sentences. So if I don't want to hear some sentences BlindSquare is telling, I can skip them. So that's how you use it. And then I press play. It should start audio menu, and then I can select option by pressing play again. I will let it go to the weather feature, and then I select that one.
Location. Sleep mode. Look around. Around me. Start tracking. GPS info. Time. Add place. Weather. Temperature 19 degrees. Wind speed 2 meters per second. Light rain tomorrow evening.
Okay, so that's how you control BlindSquare with the speaker on your wrist. And then let's try another feature. So if somebody is calling to you, this device will not say the name of the caller, but actually the phone number. So I ended the call, but that's how you hear when somebody's calling, the number of the caller. And as a final feature, I will show how to stop this, so how to turn power off. So we have power button on the bottom. I will keep it down. And now power turned off. And there is actually a tiny little bug in this device, because if I'm not connected, it will say power off, but now it just goes off. So it's the only error or problem I found on this device, but I would say it is really nice and useful gadget for all BlindSquare users. Thanks.